Imagine waking up just a few months from now with a completely transformed life. More success, more clarity, and a powerful comeback that shocks everyone. Sounds impossible? It's not. In this video, we're revealing 5 powerful steps that can help you achieve life-changing results not in a year, but in just 3 to 6 months. And trust me, step #4 is a game changer. Miss it, and you'll regret it. These steps are backed by years of research and personal experience, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's dive into 5 powerful steps to change your life in just 6 months. Step 1, clarity. Take a screenshot of what's on your screen right now. The more clarity you bring to your mind, the faster you'll achieve your goals. Most people know what they want, but lose focus. To avoid this, take a paper, divide it into 4 sections, and answer these 4 questions. If I were fearless and couldn't fail, what would I do? A year from now, what would make me the proudest? What are 3 things I must stop doing? If someone else were in my situation, what advice would I give them? Writing these down will clear your mental fog and give you a roadmap for the next 365 days. Remember, everything happens twice. First in your mind, then in reality. Keep this paper for the next year and read it whenever you need clarity. Step 2, the magic of manifestation. You've heard of vision boards, but to truly manifest your goals, create both a physical and a digital vision board. We personally use Notion to track our goals and progress. If you want access to our Notion template, stay tuned till the end. Also, use Pinterest to create a visual board of what inspires you and set a widget on your phone's home screen to keep your goals in sight 24/7. Step 3, reverse engineer your action plan. Achieving any goal requires breaking it down. 1-year goal. Define what you want to achieve in 12 months. Monthly goal. Divide your yearly goal into 12 smaller milestones. Weekly goal. Break each month into weekly tasks. Daily goal. Define small, consistent actions for each day. Right now, take an immediate action. Write your plan, pack your gym bag, or set up your study space. Success is not about huge leaps. It's about winning one day at a time. Step 4. Don't repeat the same mistakes. 92% of people fail at their yearly goals because they keep making the same mistakes. Poor time management, procrastination, lack of discipline, and no focus. If you truly want to succeed, learn from experience and stop repeating these mistakes. To help you avoid these common pitfalls, we've created Success Secrets, a structured plan with step-by-step guidance. If you're serious about your transformation, check out the link in the description before the discount disappears. Step 5, track your progress. Just like school exams, divide your next 365 days into 2 semesters to measure your progress every 6 months. We use the Habit Bull app, not sponsored, to track our habits and follow the never miss 2 days in a row rule. Start small with a 7-day challenge, then move to 30 days, and before you know it, you'll see massive results. Ready for your best comeback ever? Join Success Secrets today and start your transformation. Link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.